Let me show you how I made this liquid fertilizer for my plants. This is a liquid fertilizer which I will dilute and use on my plants. Any plant can be fertilized using this liquid fertilizer. The advantage of liquid fertilizer is that the nutrients are readily available, so take up those nutrients as quick as possible, as they are now coming with water. So I made the whole thing here using this bucket. You have to collect manure first when you want to do a manure tea. So I used cow dung because it was the one which was available. I got out just in the forest there and collected this. So you can either use this or you can use the other composted one, the ones from the cross, to break it down. Not always a good idea to use it directly to the plants because it's still concentrated. It contains high levels of ammonia and other salts which may not be good to your plants, especially seedlings. It can burn those seedlings. So the best way is to compost it or to make a tea, manure tea, like I did here, to make a liquid fertilizer. Just take that cow dung or manure, put it in a bucket. You can use a large barrel, you can use something like this. Any bucket will be fine. Size doesn't matter, it depends on what you have or the amount of manure that we have. So using something like this, this is a 60-liter container. You will just fill maybe a quarter of the container with manure, and then the remaining should be water. Up there, the 3/4 will be water. Fill it up, leave it overnight. You can start harvesting this liquid fertilizer the following day, or you can leave it for some days and keep stirring the mixture each and every day so that you get more concentration. This has been here for 2 days now, so it's now ready to use in plants. Not ready to use it in plants, I can just put it on a container on the other side and leave it there and use it as I need. So to collect, you can just use anything to strain this liquid fertilizer to another container. As you can see, this is very concentrated. Now when it's concentrated like this, obviously it will not be good to water your plants with it. It will burn your plants, it will burn those roots. You will start seeing your leaves turning yellow and the plant will die slowly. So make sure that you dilute it first. The right color should be light brown color, or should look like a weak tea. A weak tea, that's the color that you should aim for when you are diluting. Strain this. After straining this, don't mix immediately. You can leave it concentrated and then cover the container and mix only when you are immediately watering your plants with this. So you can water to your plants weekly or every other week. Don't provide too much nutrition to your plants because too much nutrition also is not good. So if you give them too much source, you know what will happen. Too much of everything can be negative. Now to mix about this amount of mixture, add water. Okay, it's leaking out. Yeah, now you see the color that I'm talking about. Looking at this, I think it's a bit concentrated, so I'm going to dilute just a bit with water. Yeah, that's a bit better. So you will want to water your plants with this mixture, concentration of the soil. Not the whole watering can in one plant, just give them a little drink each. After fertilizing them, or after giving them fertilizer, make sure that you water those plants daily to dilute that mixture from the soil. You would have given them something concentrated. So any fertilizer, even if you are using synthetic fertilizers, we all know that you have to water your plants. You have to water your plants after fertilizing to help them to pick that fertilizer from the soil, also to dilute whatever they have in their stems. So that's it. I believe this will help you. I believe this has helped you. If you enjoy this type of content, or if this was helpful, please consider subscribing to help the growth of our channel. Don't forget to leave us a comment if you have anything to add, or if you want to correct me. We learn every day. This is how I learn. This is how I learned. So have a good day.